Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the macros in MS Word. So what is a macros? It is a stored series of command that carries out an action. Basically it is a recording tool available in MS Word. This feature can be used to add functionality or automate the simple task. With more macros you can get same result by clicking a command instead of going through all the steps. It increases the productivity and saves the time. If you want to insert a company logo address table on the regular basis, then you can use this option. So how to use this option? Now I For using this option, you have to go to the view tab. Inside a view tab, there is a macros option. So if you click on that, and here if you start recording the macros, you have to click on the record macros. Now here it will ask you the name, and it will give you a by default name macro 2, but if you want to give some name you can also give the name. Next thing is to assign the macros. So through keyboard you have to assign the macros. You have to click on the keyboard, and here you have to press the shortcut key for it. Now I want to put alt F. It will take that. Then I will assign the macro 2 on alt F shortcut key and close. Now what will happen? You can see on that cursor, you can see a cassette like structure. That means it started a recording. Now while creating any line or any document, you have to be careful because you are going to press a multiple buttons. So if I want to write something like this, and after that I will go again in macros and stop recording. So what will happen, whichever uh, lines I have written over here, on only one press alt F it will come over here because I have assigned a shortcut key for it. So in this similar way, if you want to write like 1, enter 2, enter 3, enter 4, and for all this I want to write like this: A in bracket, again B in bracket, again C in bracket, and again D in bracket, like this. So what I will do, I will not write all the things again and again. I will put my cursor over here. Then I will go to the macros, record macros. This is macro 3. Click on the keyboard. I will give the shortcut key, that is alt S, and assign and close. Now I will start writing whichever thing I want to record, that is bracket A, bracket B, bracket C, bracket D, like this. And I will go inside a macros and I will stop recording. Now if you forget about the which key you have used, you have to just press alt D, alt D, alt D, and all the same format will come for the other. Now if you enter here again, and you can write multiple times the same thing. This is a simple thing. You can just make it complex, and you can just record it with the help of macros and use it multiple times whenever you want. Now if you click on the macros and view macros, now here you can see macro 1, macro 2 and macro 3. So these are the three macros. If you forget the shortcut key, you can just click on the macros 1 and you can run that like this. So if you forget the shortcut key, there is no issue. You have to go to the macro, just view macro and use the macro whichever you want, and it will get inserted over there. So this is the way you can use the macros in MS Word. So These are basically used when you want to insert same thing again and again and you don't want to make a mistake in that. So that is the use of macros. For there is a shortcut key available for the macros is alt plus at. So this macros is very useful to increase the productivity and to save the time. Thank you.